In this video, we are going to see how to generate unique video description automatically using Writesonic. So let's say that every time a new video is uploaded in your YouTube channel, then automatically you want that with the help of Writesonic, which is an AI developer, description should be generated for that video title, and then again what should happen in your Google Sheet or any other spreadsheet, that description should be added. Now how can that be done? For this you will have to integrate the three applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. So here your trigger application will be YouTube. Then your action application first will be Writesonic, and then it will be Google Sheets. Now how can you do this yourself, integrate and automate this entire process? To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, simply click on sign in. If you are a new user, click on this tab sign up. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. So now I'm going to click on sign in, and as I do that, here we have reached all applications page. Since we are doing this integration using Pabbly Connect software, let's click on Access Now. Here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Again, on the right hand side, you can see a tab Create Workflow. Let's click on this, and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now here, what is my objective? My objective is to generate unique video description automatically using Writesonic. Now Writesonic is an AI developer that helps you in generating text and images. So here I'm going to click on Create. And as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. Basically action here is the response of your trigger application. As per this integration, my trigger application will be YouTube. So I'm going to look for this, and here the trigger event would be new video in channel with video URL. So every time there's a new video in channel, so this workflow is going to run. Here on the right hand side, you can see it is written, this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. This basically means that this trigger application has a polling time of 10 minutes. So the workflow is going to run in every 10 minutes, and then it would fetch for new data. Now I'm going to click on connect. And as I do that, here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with a YouTube account. I'm going to select add new connection, then connect with YouTube. So here we have to choose the account. So once I have done that, here it is asking me for the additional access to my Google account. So this is absolutely secure. I'm going to click on continue. And as I do that, here you can see authorization has been successful. Now here the channel ID has already been selected by the system. So this is demo channel. Let me show you my YouTube. And then here you can see the name of the channel is demo channel. So once this has been selected, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see I have received the API response of the last video that has been published on my YouTube channel. So here it is, big waves rushing to the show. So let me take you here, and this is the last video that was uploaded there. So now here my objective is that with this title, automatically a description should be generated and it should become a part of my spreadsheet. Going back to Pabbly Connect. So here what all we have received? We have received the video URL. Then again, as I take you down, this is the ID of the video. Then this here is important. This is our channel ID that we have to map later. Then again, this here is the title. This is the snippet's description. Then as I take you down, this here is the name of the channel. Now once we have received this, what is my objective? That with the help of Writesonic, I should be able to generate a description for this title. So this is Writesonic. I have selected this application. The event here would be ChatSonic, a chatbot like ChatGPT but with real-time data and images. Let's click on connect. As we do that, here again Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with Writesonic account. I'm going to click on add new connection. Now I already have logged into my Writesonic account. I need this API key to set up this connection. How can I receive this? I have to go to the display picture on the top right corner to open the profile menu. So this here is my Writesonic account, and this here is the profile icon. Let's click on this. So here you can see Writesonic, ChatSonic and Photosonic API can be received. This is right now inactive. Let's activate the same. And this here is the API key. Let's reveal it. And now I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste this over here. Let's click on save to set up this connection. Now once Writesonic is connected with Pabbly Connect, here we have to map this information input text. So here it is written enter input text examples, write a program for Fibonacci numbers in JavaScript. So basically I'm going to write a description for the video title. And now I am going to map the information. How? So here you can see the previous step, and as I scroll down, this here is the title. Now the method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping. Mapping means that I already have this information in the previous step and I'm just going to retrieve it here. And this is important so that every time the workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. Had I written this title manually, then every time the workflow would have run, it would have only taken this title. New titles wouldn't have been added, and that is why mapping is important. Now once I have mapped this information, next it is asking me to enable Google results. You have two options, yes and no. I have selected no. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and as I do that, here you can see I have received the response. So this is the description that has been generated for the video titled Big Waves Rushing to the Shore. So once my objective has been fulfilled, what is my next objective? I want this information to become a part of my spreadsheet. Here we have taken the example of a Google Sheet. So I'm going to add another action step, and this time it will be Google Sheet. Let's click on this. Now the action event here would be to add new row. Let's click on connect. So again Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with Google Sheets account. Let's click on add new connection, sign in with Google. Here it is asking me to choose an account. So done. So here you can see that Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to my Google account. This is absolutely secure. Let's click on continue. So once this is done, you can see authorization has been successful. And now here we have to map the information. So you can see the spreadsheet has already been selected. Let me show you. So I already have created the spreadsheet. So the name of the spreadsheet is YouTube video description. Here I've got two column fields, video title and description. The name of the sheet is sheet 1. So here it has already been taken by the system. Since there was only one sheet, this has also been taken by the system. Now the video title, let's map the information. So I am going to take that video title from step 1. This here is the title. Now the description, for this I'm going to go to step 2, and this is the description. Let's click on save and send test request. So here you can see we have received the API response according to which this information must become a part of my spreadsheet now. Let's go back to YouTube video description, and yes, here you can see that this has become a part of my Google Sheet. So this is the video title and this here is the description. So this basically means that our integration process is a complete success, but we also need to check the same in real time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to YouTube, and here on the top right hand corner you can see the option create. Let's click on this, click on upload video, select files. Now here you can see this is the video. Let's click on open. So here the title is Best PHP Course for Beginners. And now I'm going to just go down and I'm going to write, no, it's not made for kids. Let's click on next and then again next. So this is a private video and I'm going to click on save. So here we can see that it has been processing. So let's click on close. And as I do that, here you can see that this particular video has been uploaded. Now here, as soon as this video has been uploaded, then what should happen? Automatically with this title, a description must be generated and then it should become a part of my Google Sheet. But here we can see that it was written that this trigger application has a polling time of 10 minutes. So we are supposed to wait for 10 minutes and then we are going to go back to our Google Sheet and check if the title and description becomes a part of this Google Sheet. So now it's been 10 minutes. Let's go back to our Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see that the video title and the description have become a part of our Google Sheet. So this basically means that our integration is a complete success. Going back to Pabbly Connect, let's quickly understand what we have done. So here our trigger application was YouTube, where the event was new video in channel with video URL. Then our action application was Writesonic, where the event was Chatsonic, and our final action application was Google Sheets, where the event was add new row. I hope that this is absolutely clear to you.
If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.